If you ever leave me, baby. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, now that you're here, let's make some beautiful art. Today we're gonna be painting with Nick Draws. That's so stupid. Hey people, so I'm gonna be painting Bob Ross style. So we're gonna be making some paintings. Can you say painting? Never mind. Anyway, we're gonna be painting, and I'm gonna be following a Bob Ross tutorial, and I'm gonna follow it from beginning to end and see how good I can do. I don't have like all the specific oil paints and stuff that he has for his video. I only have what I have here, which is a bunch of different acrylic paints from Walmart. So I'm gonna try to copy it and follow as best as I can, and hopefully this turns out like amazing. It probably it's probably not gonna be like amazing, but it'll probably be good. So hopefully in the end I have a good result, and then people can say that I'm cool. For those observant people who see that I'm wearing a custom Dunkin' Donuts apron, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing that, it's because when I'm not making millions on my YouTube channel, I want to know what it's like to have a normal life. So I work a normal 9 to 5 at Dunkin' Donuts, you know, just like any normal person would, just so they can experience the real world, you know. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna gesso the canvas. I'm gonna do it twice because in the video that's what he said to do. I started watching a little bit of it, just the beginning, so I can see what I need and stuff. So I'm gonna do that now. It's gonna be in time lapse. Is it in time lapse or am I going super fast? So I just put one layer on there, like, now I have to wait a little bit of time and then put the second layer on, and then I can start. So I painted the canvas twice with the gesso, and then he said I needed some kind of liquid white, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna wait for the second coat not to dry, and then I think it'll do the same effect. I think, I don't know, I hope. So I'm just gonna press play to where I was in the video and start painting.
Let me tell you what I've got going up here. Today I'm using an 18 by 24 inch double prime pre-stretched canvas, but you use whatever size you'd like. And I've just covered the entire canvas with a very thin coat of liquid white.
Okay.
The liquid white is designed just to make the canvas wet and to make it slick. It allows us to actually blend color right here on the canvas. Makes your whole painting life a lot easier. So let's get started. Now today we just do a very simple little scene that I hope you'll enjoy.
I'm just going to try and match the colors as best as I can because I don't have
touch of the
those
alizarin crimson.
alizarin
Just load a little bit
and
right into the bristles.
phantom green
Pull a
and all
little
these
paint out.
colors.
Tap the bristles firmly to assure a nice even distribution of paint all the way through the bristles. And let's go right up here. And we'll take this old brush and just making little X's, little crisscross strokes. We'll just very quickly drop in just a little warm part in the sky here. Maybe we'll have a little pink in the sky. I sort of like that. And in our world, we can do anything that we want to do here. Any old thing. There. Doesn't take too long when you're using the brush. It's 2 inches wide.
I'm going to pause this really quick.
Okay, without even cleaning the brush.
Because I'm not sure if this acrylic stuff is going to... Or I'm just bad. It's not blending as good, but we're going to make it work. And I accidentally splashed paint all over my lights. I feel like when I was little and I tried to copy those drawing tutorial videos, and they go so fast, and what they do looks so good, and then you look back at yours and it looks like trash. That's what I feel like. Whatever, we're just gonna have to go with it and see what he does next. Pressing play.
Without even cleaning the brush, we'll go right into little phthalo blue.
Phthalo blue.
It's a very warm blue, very nice. Once again, just tap a little color into it, and let's go back up here.
Okay, add a little bit of blue.
X's. That's all they are, little X's.
Well, looks like there's a little bit of hair caught inside the paint, but I could care less. Because it's not gonna turn out that great.
In this little pink area, it'll just eat it up, so be careful.
Eat it up.
Careful.
Eat it up.
All go away. If you want to make the indication of a happy little cloud, all you do is just sort of tap. A little stringy cloud just lives right there in the brush. And that easy. We'll blend him out, have a little stringer cloud. There.
Oh, I need more blue for that.
On there. Let's have some water in this paint. I love water.
A little bit of blue for that string of cloud.
Let's see.
So let's just keep going with the video.
In this painting, I love water, and it's very easy to paint in this style. Still water is always level.
Level.
And I think today we'll have still water. So pull from the outside in. Outside in.
Okay, so we're gonna pull from the outside in.
All right.
Let's see how we do.
Something about like so. All right. I'll have a little brush going. I want to darken the corners a little bit. I'm gonna take a little Prussian blue and just add in the corners here and there.
First, let me make this look a little bit better. Okay, I'm gonna press play to the video now.
And we'll go over to the other side.
Other side.
And add a little more, and then down toward the bottom. We'll put a little down here too. I'm just putting a little Prussian blue in each corner.
I'm trying to blend it because his is like perfectly blend everywhere.
Technique.
I want mine to look good. Since these are acrylic paints, I need to wash it off in water.
Brushes with odorless paint thinner. Shake off the excess.
No, there's no sound effect.
And just beat the devil out of it. That's really the most fun part of it.
Blending it all together.
Brush. Take the corner of the brush.
Okay,
and just pull down
the corner of the brush.
Something about like so. Straight down, straight down. I'll make it look like little distant trees, live far back in the distance. A little more color, and we'll just have it.
So from here,
I don't know, right there.
okay, this is as good as I think I'm gonna get it. Because it's a lot harder than it looks. Like, very hard. I never expected it to be so hard because when I was watching these videos and he's just like, and he gets it done so fast, it does not seem hard at all, but you gotta try it. It's not easy.
Right there. In your world, you create any illusion that you want.
Illusions.
There, but I want to keep the bottom light so it looks like mist. You could even take another 2-inch brush, and I have several.
So basically, I did all of this and nothing was recording, so fun. I'm just gonna keep going with what I have and finish this video as well as I can. Nothing recorded, none of this, none of it. Basically what you missed, since none of my video recorded, is I was frustrated a little bit because it wasn't matching up, and then I tried to get it as best as I can. Basically what's been going on this whole time. Now I'm gonna try to be hype. Every single time I try and make a video, something bad happens. It stops recording, or I realize that it was never recording in the first place. Even when I check the camera, it stops recording when I'm like in the middle of what I'm doing. So why would I check?
Green, let's go back and put some highlights on our little evergreen trees.
Highlight some green. Well, I don't think that mine turned out that great, but it's better than I expected. I'm just gonna add some stuff because I might as well try and make it look a little bit better than what it looks like. I'm done painting, and I think that I actually like the way it came out now that I look at it complete. Bob Ross is a good teacher. It came out really well. So now I'm just gonna sign it because he told me to. That's good enough. So now that it's signed and it's done, I'm gonna put a picture of my painting versus his painting, how it should have came out versus how mine came out. And my experience was that following a Bob Ross tutorial is fun, and he's really good at teaching. That's all I have to say. Here's my painting. I'm just gonna do a little bit of touch-ups. Thanks for watching. Bye.
It must be nice. It must be nice. Kick the floor. We ain't got no time to look